Hey folks, Brian here. I've been backing up a lot of data and donating a lot of old computers stemming all the way back to 1998. You can see I've got a bunch of 2.5 inch, 3.5 inch drives, and even some solid state SSDs here. And I've been using this USB adapter to make these into external hard drives, and I've been copying the data into my biggest hard drive. Some of these drives, they don't even work anymore. Some of them let out a violent screech, and miraculously start working. Some just made clicking noises and then died out. And others are just really loud. A lot of these IBM ones didn't age well. I copied all of these old hard drives to my one big terabyte drive, and I cleared out all of my other hard drives. I had 3 large ones, 1 terabyte Samsung, another of the same 1 terabyte, and finally a 1.5 terabyte Seagate that I got from a coworker. And I put everything on one terabyte Samsung, so I tried to remove just the other 2 drives. Unfortunately, I ended up removing all of the drives, but eventually I had only that one drive with all the data and a new Samsung 2 terabyte 860 EVO drive. I got it for $229 on the Black Friday sale. Put that in and started copying over the data. Also at the end I put in this Samsung OEM black drive that I recovered from an old laptop, and I'm going to use that for downloads and a scratch disk for the DaVinci Resolve video editor. I'm going to store all sorts of just random junk on there and let it fail whenever it wants. Once I put the solid state disks in the computer, it was as simple as going to the disk management software by right-clicking on the Windows button and clicking disk management, formatting the drives as shown here, and then I simply drag the folders from my old drive to the new drive and let it rest overnight. I saw the speeds were ranging from a couple kilobytes to tens of megabytes. Overall it was pretty slow, and I think there was many files, so I think it took all night. There were some files that couldn't be copied, and I think they were due to weird Windows permissions, but I didn't think I need them. And finally I installed Samsung Magician to keep track of how much data was written to the drive, and maybe that will give an idea of when that drive itself will also burn out. But I probably won't hit that limit for a long time. But anyway, thanks for watching. Now things are much speedier, I hope. It requires less power, there's no spinning disks, and maybe it's a lot quieter too. So, with a fresh drive, maybe this will last for another 10 years. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.